Okay. Okay, so good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hope you had
Good
a
morning.
very good day yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Yash, I want to know what homework did I give yesterday? Shreyash, what was the homework given to you all yesterday?
Oh, I just forgot.
Wow. That means you didn't do.
Yes. What
That
kind of
means
a
you didn't
response was
do.
that? Obviously.
Aviral, what was the homework yesterday?
Ma'am, that we have to, ma'am, that in next class, which means in present class, we have to tell at least 5 to 10 lines on my country, my pride. And we have to tell 2 sentences which have fillers.
Right.
Ma'am, that can be
So we'll
used.
start.
Fillers that can be
Hmm?
used.
Right.
There
The
are a
fillers
few.
that can be used. Yes, there are a few fillers that can be used, which even if we want, we cannot omit. Sometimes we have to use them in English language, in any of the languages, rather. So we'll be talking about fillers again today. So, are you all prepared with My Country, My Pride, at least 10 points? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all
Yes, ma'am.
prepared
Yes,
with at
ma'am. You
least
are
10
audible.
points?
Yes, ma'am.
So, I hope everybody is prepared. So, can you volunteer who'll start? See, starting first is also a very good, opportunity, because others cannot say that you copied their points. Others will copy your points, but you will not copy anybody else's. So yours will remain original if you start in the first place.
Let me start.
Who wants to start? Aviral?
Aviral.
Very good. Start. Come on, start. And I hope nobody has written anything, because children, we all know you. We all know your capabilities and capacities. So me and Kriti ma'am both will come to know if you're reading it from somewhere. So it would be better if you just speak up. As I told you, we will not be able to write things when we meet people. We will always be randomly asked questions, and randomly we have to give answers. If somebody meets you and asks you something, you cannot say, "Ki, please let me write and then I will be able to answer." So it is always better to increase, to improve your spoken rather than written. Okay, first improve your spoken, written will automatically become better. Clear to everybody?
Yes.
So it's my earnest request, kindly do not read from anywhere. Okay, start Aviran. And everybody else will listen and write the fillers that he will be using. You have to, all of you, be ready with a pen and a paper. You will not point out in between. You will point out the fillers that he is using, and you will tell where he used the filler. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's start with Aviral. Come on. Rest of you will not speak anything, only Aviral will speak. Yes, Aviral.
My country my country is admired across the world for its rich culture and tradition. We got independence on 15 August 1947. Every year we celebrate 15 August as Independence Day of India. India is the seventh largest country in the world and also the second most populated country in the world. People of all religions, that is Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, and Christians, live here together. And India also has the most number of speaking and writing languages in the world.
Aviral, I know you have not read it from somewhere, but you prepared it beforehand and then you spoke.
Ma'am, actually, just now, before 10 minutes, I was thinking about this topic.
But still, you prepared it beforehand. You did not think of the key points, but you prepared all the sentences and then you spoke. You did not
Ma'am,
prepare. I think you ratified the sentences and as plain as that.
It was looking like it has been practiced.
No,
Exactly.
ma'am.
Okay, if you have not practiced, then it is very good. Next, anybody who could point out any filler here? Anybody who could point out any filler? He was just taking pauses in between, which is absolutely fine. Okay, he did not use any filler. He was pausing in between, which is absolutely fine. Okay, rather than using fillers, you can take a second or a 2 seconds gap. Is it clear? Next who will speak up? Children, volunteer yourselves. I don't have to ask who will speak, who will speak. You volunteer yourselves. Ma'am, next I will speak. Yes, who will speak?
Mom, can I speak?
Yes, sure.
Our country, India, is a huge and beautiful land full of wonders. It is a country full of beautiful landscapes and people. India is a unique country with diversity in languages, food, culture, and traditions. People here are independent. Its spices and cultures are famous all over the world. Here, each state has its own heritage and history. That's it.
So anybody who could point out any fillers? Nobody could point out the fillers,
No one.
but I could point out one filler in the
Ma'am,
very
actually, I got disconnected. So I need the second.
the first sentence she used a. Otherwise, she did not use filler anywhere. So you know what has happened? The thing is that you people have become a little conscious of where to use fillers and where not to use fillers. You see, she is not speaking in a very, fast motion. She is she is very slowly speaking things so that she doesn't have to include any fillers. And while speaking, she is very conscious. She knows that if I, use any filler, then I will be pointed out.
Yes.
Right? So if she uses any filler, she will be pointed out. So that is why she's ensuring not to use any filler. Okay, she's taking pauses, but she's trying not to use any fillers. Is it clear to everybody why this has happened? Now you are not conscious, but now you know the concept of fillers. That is why you are trying to be a little more conscious.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So I could only point out one filler in the first sentence. Rest, I could not point out any filler. Okay. So next we have Shubh. Now you people are not volunteering, so I will take your name. Shubh.
Yes, ma'am.
My pride. 5 to 6.
Okay, ma'am. India is our country. It has 28 states with different languages. India has variety of religious and having unity in diversity. We are proud to be an Indian because of its great work in science and technologies. There are different religion in India and having its own culture. It has its traditional festivals like Diwali and Holi. Ma'am, that's it. I forgot.
You didn't have to learn. So children, fillers.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you spoke
One
the-
side.
He started with a filler itself.
Yes, ma'am.
In the very first place, he could not start. He started with a filler. He was thinking for the very first sentence. So which shows when you use fillers, it shows that you are thinking for the next sentence or you are thinking for the next word. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So next, who will speak up? We have Suyash, Desh, and Yatharth. Who will speak? Three of you are there. You have to, all three of you have to speak.
Ma'am, can I speak after one or two? Ma'am, just one.
So that means last. Suyash. Very good. Suyash left. Desh. Suyash.
Yes, ma'am.
My country, my pride.
India is a country.
At the time, please, can you think of a topic? Okay. Yes, Suyash.
India is a country where India is a country of many people.
Ma'am, his voice is breaking.
Okay. Suyash.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Speak. Suyash, are you thinking or what? What happened?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
What did you do since yesterday? Desh, are you there? I'm giving you 2 minutes, Suyash. Think quickly and speak up. You have to.
Okay.
It is the first rule of our class that you have to keep your mics on
Desh has not.
until there is a background noise. Desh, you haven't replied anything since yesterday. You were there yesterday, but you were not speaking.
It shows he was not there.
Today also is muted himself.
So people who will not speak, I'll simply, I'll remove them from the meeting.
Yeah, what's the point of them being here? Suyash,
Yes, ma'am.
Desh, speak up, beta.
Suyash, only 5
ma'am.
lines about your country.
You have been studying history, you have been studying geography. There are enough points to talk from these two subjects itself.
And everyone has to participate. Everyone has to speak.
Ma'am, should I speak?
Right.
India
Suyash,
is a
think by then.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. India is a famous country all around the world. Ma'am, India, ma'am,
What happened?
He just left. He was maybe disconnected or something.
Probably some connectivity issue.
sorry, ma'am,
He joined in. He's here.
India is a famous country all around the world. India is rich in natural beauty and our land provides in nature. Ma'am, India is a peaceful and a democratic country. Ma'am, India is home to natural scenarios like and places, monuments which attract the minds of people. The citizens of India are very courteous and hospitable. I feel proud of my country, India, because all the great leaders of this nation arose from poverty and led the nation. The architect of my country is famous throughout the world. One of them is considered as the symbol of eternal love, which is Taj Mahal. Apart from it, the Kashmir, called the heaven and earth, is in India. India is famous for its agriculture. The chief crops of India are sugarcane, cotton, jute, rice, and wheat. India is also the main exporter of spices in the world. Now, people belonging to different castes, creeds, and religions live here peacefully. And that's it.
Though he spoke very well, but children, could you point out the fillers?
Yes, ma'am. 4 times he
Yes.
used
Yes, we could point out fillers, though he spoke very well, but fillers were still included. So what we can do here, we could use some other fillers which which can be used. And see, it will take time. Yesterday I told you not to use fillers. It is not possible that today you stop using fillers, right? It will take some time, but can you see that there is a change? People have conscious, little more conscious, and they have stopped using a lot of fillers. 2-3 times maybe they are using. And yesterday, if you remember, we were using fillers a lot more times than today,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So this is the difference. Yes, Suyash?
India is the second largest country in population. It has many religions like Hindu religion, Christianity, and others. The people living here live in unity. Uh,
So till now, how many times he has used fillers?
3.
Ma'am, 5.
3.
Six.
Ma'am, 6.
Ma'am, 5.
According to me, 6.
Ma'am, 6.
We have to count double fillers if you don't get the word
Sorry?
Ma'am, can you use double? We have to count double fillers also. If you don't get the word, you can use the filler 2 times.
If you do not get a word, what you have to do? You have to use a filler, but then the fillers are like, I mean. Okay.
And so we are counting double fillers if you use double fillers in one sentence.
Obviously, why not?
Then according to me, 5 fillers you use.
6.
6.
Okay. So one more topic that I'm giving you, animal testing should be banned. Animal testing should be banned. Come on, 2 minutes. No, rather than giving 2 minutes, we can start now.
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
Animal testing should be banned. Testing on animals. Nowadays also COVID-19 is going on, and what is happening? People are testing vaccines on animals, on monkeys and goats and everybody, right? So why are we testing on animals? The animal testing should be banned, right? So your views for or against? Start. Aviral, start.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please give me a minute?
No, I'm not giving you any time. This is on the spot. You have to speak. This is a sort of competition which is held in almost many schools. I mean, when I was a kid, when I was in class 11th and 12th, no debate topics were given beforehand. To be very frank with you, no debate topics were given.
They were
beforehand.
given
We had
instantly, and we have to
Yes.
speak, right?
Yes, we had to speak on the spot. The topic was given. We were only known that we were in we were for the motion or against the motion. 2 teams were made, one for the motion, one against the motion. We did not even know what was the topic. We were just given the topic on the spot. If we did not understand anything, then also we had to speak something or the other. So here, this is on the spot. Come on, animal testing should be banned. Start.
Ma'am, animal testing should be banned because this testing is to be done to check the antidotes for the virus. And if the antidotes would work, then the animals would get healthy, and if it would not work, then they would be infected by the virus or they would be dead. So animals also have life, they also have right to live. So this should not be done, and antidote should be tested. And we should test antidotes on animals when we are 100% sure that it will work.
Number of fillers used, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly tell.
Ma'am, I counted 7.
So this is the difference, Aviral. Are you understanding? This is the difference. Preparing beforehand and preparing on the spot. Why did I tell you people to prepare, and then why did I tell you to, randomly just speak on this topic? When you spoke, when you were prepared, you did not even use a single filler. And when you were unprepared, when randomly you had to speak, the number of fillers counted by Yatharth were 7. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yatharth, start.
Ma'am, animals testing should be banned because it is unethical. It's a bad science because 95% of 100% is wasted on failing humans. Ma'am, it is unnecessary because they can the investors can invest money on something else which is replaced on animal testing, which can be replaced make antidotes on animal testing.
Aviral, how many?
Actually, his voice was breaking, so I counted 4 only.
I knew you will count because he counted yours, no?
Ma'am, this was not the thing.
So again, the difference is that Yatharth was also a little prepared that time, a little. Not saying that you read it out from somewhere, but yes, you knew the topic and you thought of key points. This is what I was telling you since yesterday, that when you randomly meet people and when you randomly have to talk, you cannot say that give me a piece of paper or let me think for a minute and then I will speak, I will give you the answer. Yesterday I gave you a topic, so you were prepared with it. You had 7 to 8 lines in your mind. You had some key points because of which the fillers used were a little less. But when randomly I gave you a topic, what happened?
The fillers come automatically out of the
Yes, the fillers automatically started coming. Now what you can do is, instead of using what can you use? Yatharth, what were the fillers that I told you?
Ma'am, I mean, I know.
Yes, I guess. Okay. So these are the fillers that can be used on a daily basis rather than using and am. So Arohi, now it is your turn, and I would really appreciate if you use fillers that can be used, like I guess, I mean, these fillers which can be used. If you can put them into your sentences rather than using and so that would be appreciable. Please, can you try?
Yes.
Okay, start. Animal testing should be banned.
testing should be eliminated because it violates animals' right. Like it causes pain and suffering to the animals, and because of our needs, we should not violate any other's right, any other animal's right. I'm not getting any point right now. Sorry for what everything.
This is not done, but Arohi. If you
There are many points on which you can speak. You just have to
imagine,
think about it.
imagine if you're standing for a competition, will you give this answer?
You will try your best to win, na?
Please give me some time and I'll just speak after you.
No, that is the point. I cannot give you any time to think.
And then fillers will not be used.
Then fillers will not be used. Okay. Next, who will speak up?
Ma'am, should I speak?
Yes.
Ma'am, animal testing should be banned because it harms the animal physically and ma'am, it also violates the human rights, sorry, animal rights.
Hmm. Yes.
Ma'am,
Pause.
ma'am, animal testing causes pain to the animals.
Hmm. Fillery filler. Speak up, sure. So now everybody can make out the preparation that you people had done, and on the spot, what you can speak. Yes. Anybody else who still wants to try?
Can I try?
Yes.
And ban because it harms the animal and violates their rights. Animal testing is very cruel and harsh to the animals. They also feel the pain like we humans do. It causes so many diseases to the animals like it gives diseases such as cancer and everything. And it is very inappropriate to harm animals because they give us much more, many things we use in our daily lives, and we unintentionally we support animal cruelty because we use some products which are made from animals and which are tested on animals. So we should not. We should ban animal testing. That's it.
Number of
How many fillers did she use? Those who were listening carefully. Did you count? Why? Nobody counted. I could point out 3 fillers. I don't know I'm right or wrong, but I did manage to point out 3 fillers. Though she spoke really well, taking pauses instead of fillers, but there were 2, 3 and in the sentences. Acha, it's my question that nobody is for the motion. Nobody wants animal testing.
No, ma'am.
No. What should be your what should you give as an alternative for this? If animal testing is to be banned, how are we supposed to get the vaccines and antidotes to the viruses and diseases which are going on right now? If it isn't animal testing, it will be human testing.
Yes, ma'am.
The
Like
reasons
plasma
for
therapy.
the reasons for stopping both of them is quite the same. It is inhumane. Doesn't matter if it is for animal or for human. Plasma therapy is also, it was once tested and then applied for humans. We apply those things for ourselves which are safe, which are, declared safe by some authority.
Yes,
Don't you think?
yes, ma'am.
Better don't shut your mic, don't mute yourself. We are having a debate. You can, we are here to discuss the point. Please discuss. Can you give any alternative for this? Arey, speak up, bhai. This is not done.
Any alternative that you people can give? You people are saying that animal testing should not be done. Then what testing should be done?
Ma'am, like the humans that have been cured, we could use their blood, their cells, and to heal others. And the method they use to heal
Okay.
them.
For instance, you have been cured. Will you, will you voluntarily go and give your blood or anything that they want for testing?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Acha.
Will you willingly go? Are you saying that you are that courageous? That
Okay.
you'll go
Not
back
that.
in the
No,
same.
ma'am.
Then
No, ma'am.
be honest to yourself. We are not judging.
Yes. Oh, ma'am, if there is another methodology they use to cure themselves.
Okay, but
Okay.
I think one point I think that Arohi told that until and unless we are completely sure that this method will work, we should not do it as a test for animals as well. Was it told by Arohi or Yatharth? I'm not sure.
Ma'am, I told.
Okay, you told. Okay, fine.
Okay, let's play a game. I want you all to, make the longest word which you can. I mean, you have to make the longest word that you know. Think of the word, think of alphabets, join them, and make the longest word that you can.
It should have a meaning, right?
Exactly.
Ma'am, Aryan is sending us the text that whether you all join communication classes or not.
But right now, whatever we are doing, concentrate on that. Don't read X. I want you to make a word which, according to you, is the longest and has some meaning. Quickly. Are you doing it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to tell the meaning also, okay?
कपड़े वाला ग्लव्स का
Ma'am, now who will start?
You want to start?
No, ma'am.
Give them at least 2-3 minutes.
Sure, ma'am.
Ma'am, I remember the longest word.
Shall we start discussing, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody ready?
Yes,
Shubh, Yatharth, Aviral, Arohi, everybody ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Arohi will tell me the longest word that she knows with the meaning.
Ma'am, please tell the other ma'am not start now.
Ma'am, can I start?
This is not the game spirit, Arohi. Okay, Aviral.
Ma'am, pneumono ultramicroscopic silico volcanoconiosis. Ma'am, this is a lung disease.
What
This is
happens
a
in
lung
this lung
disease.
disease?
Yes, ma'am.
What happens in this lung disease?
Ma'am, that I don't remember, but ma'am, I know that I searched this word sometime before.
And you remembered it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this was not
That's
very
nice.
difficult word.
Repeat the word
Oh.
again.
Ma'am, pneumono ultramicroscopic silico volcanoconiosis.
Now frame a sentence with it.
Aryan has pneumono.
Don't talk about Aryan here. Okay, sorry. You're framing a sentence. Okay, sorry.
Aryan has pneumono ultramicroscopic ultramicroscopic
This you remembered, right?
मैम अच्छे
So
से
your
याद-
word changes every time you use.
मैम एक्चुअली इसको लास्ट में मैम नहीं अच्छे से आ रहे थे.
This is not done. You have to tell a word which is appropriate. I mean, the one that you know.
I'm starting it. It is easy. Pneumono ultramicroscopic.
Okay.
बाद में कुछ हो जाता है. Can't remember that, right?
Yes, ma'am. That is little difficult.
So why are you choosing a difficult
Okay.
word to speak here?
Yatharth.
Ma'am, can I start after 1 or 2?
No, you have to right now tell.
Ma'am, I'm thinking about.
You cannot be obliged with it every time.
Ma'am, just last one. Ma'am, I'm thinking about some words.
Sure. Because this is the last activity. With 3 kids, we can have only these many activities. Shubh,
Yes, ma'am.
come on, tell me the word.
Ma'am, should I tell one animal name?
Whatever it is also a word.
Ma'am, Trachiosaurus.
Trachiosaurus. What is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
meaning? This is the name of an animal.
Ma'am, it belongs from the dynasty of dinosaurs.
It belongs to the dynasty of dinosaurs.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So, Shubh, whom do you want to frame a sentence with this word?
Ma'am, Yatharth.
Yatharth, come on, frame a sentence with the word that he has said.
What?
You have to frame a sentence with the word which Shubh told. Shubh, what was the word?
Ma'am, Brachiosaurus.
Brachiosaurus. This is an animal who belongs to the family of dinosaurs.
Can you repeat of the word?
Brachiosaurus.
Yes.
Are you looking out for it online, Yatharth?
Ma'am, but it is not a word.
Arey,
Brachiosaurus is an animal which belongs to the family of dinosaurs.
will you say that your name is not a word? Yatharth?
Yes, ma'am, I'm forming a sentence.
Quickly. You cannot think. I told you not.
And the Brachiosaurus is an animal which has been extinct long time ago.
Right. Brachiosaurus is an
Okay.
animal. Okay, Yatharth. Now, can you tell a word?
Ma'am, sphygmomanometer.
The meaning?
Ma'am, it is a device used to measure blood pressure.
And what is the word? Kindly repeat.
Sphygmomanometer.
Sphygmomanometer. Okay. Who will frame a sentence with it? Yatharth?
Shubh.
Targeting each other.
Ma'am, what is the word?
Yatharth?
Sphygmomanometer. It is a device
Ma'am,
used to measure blood pressure.
What?
The device
Sphygmomanometer.
measures blood pressure. Sphygmomanometer.
See, it becomes so difficult for all of us to randomly frame sentences and speak up. This is the activity. This is why I am emphasizing on people saying it on the spot and not giving them time to think. I just gave you time to think of a word and not the sentence. So now are you understanding why I am telling you not to prepare things and come? Why I am telling you to prepare things on the spot? So that you can inculcate a habit of trying to make sentences, trying to communicate with people on the spot and not with preparation. Whenever you go for an interview can be of any sort, job interview, admission interview, general interview, anything. So what you have to do, you cannot think of things. You have to randomly answer, quickly answer. Otherwise, the other person will understand, think that you do not know.
Ma'am, can you repeat
sir.
the meaning of sphygmomanometer?
It is an instrument used to measure blood pressure.
Ma'am, AIMS hospitals are having sphygmomanometers,
Okay.
which are
As
used
simple
to
as that.
measure blood pressures.
Blood pressure.
Pressures.
Right. So all of you, now did you understand why on the spot communication is necessary?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So similarly, on the other days also, today I'll be sending you a picture. Okay. And the activity for tomorrow is picture composition.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you have to, according to that, you have to think. You have to look at that picture and you have to, think of certain points that come to your mind. You don't have to write anything. You don't have to do anything. Just think of the points that come to your mind looking at that picture.
Ma'am,
Okay.
what if someone like writes it all? I have to write it.
No, I don't want you all to write. If you write, I told you yesterday itself, you are bluffing yourself. So the best thing is I will not send you the picture. I will give you the picture on the spot.
Yes, ma'am.
Here
You can
only,
do that.
ma'am. Don't
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
give to them
okay.
on the group.
On the spot.
It can be
So I-
shown
Yes,
here
ma'am.
and they can continue with the speaking. Shubh,
Yes, ma'am.
better mute yourself or there is too
So-
much noise at the.
So activity for tomorrow will be picture composition, and I hope you all have understood where to use fillers, where not to use fillers, which fillers to use, and how to avoid using fillers.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll discuss more on this topic. Only one yes, ma'am. So rest of you haven't understood. Shall we continue with the filler activity or what?
I are you,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
I are you.
Okay, I personally have learned a lot from these two sessions because obviously we tend to use these words on and off intentionally or unintentionally. So I think it was a very nice activity. Jyoti ma'am, thank you so much. We all thank you so
Pleasure,
much.
ma'am.
And is there anything else for today?
No.
Okay. So we can wind the session up for today
Yes.
and we will have
Anybody
this,
who- Anybody who wants to say anything? Anybody here wants to say anything? Anything that you have not understood? Anything that you want to know? Did this
Ma'am, what about
activity
second
help
homework?
you?
No, ma'am.
This activity did not help you.
No, ma'am. It helped us. I don't want to ask any questions.
Okay. So did this activity help you in any way?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just tell me one point? How did this activity help you? Quickly.
Ma'am, we got to know how to use appropriate filler accurately.
Anybody
Okay,
else?
what else?
Sorry, Arohi.
Ma'am, it helps us to know the words and meanings.
One by one. Let Arohi speak, Aviral.
Ma'am, it enhances our capability of doing each and every work at just in half a minute and just our mind is
Right.
conscious we're doing the work.
Yes. It increases your consciousness. Yes. Aviral?
Ma'am, it helps us to know some specific words and their meanings.
Right. Okay. So we'll keep on doing such activities for today. Did you point out the fillers that I told you yesterday? Point out the fillers, family wala fillers.
Yes, ma'am, I did.
What did your
What
parents
what was your parents'
Ma'am,
reaction?
my father said it's okay that you're learning, but you should not try on me.
Right. Anybody else?
say? Papa, it's
Yatharth?
lockdown for the
No, ma'am.
where else to try? Yatharth, you did not get thrashed yesterday.
No, ma'am. Eventually not.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. That
So you
means
did
it was
not-
your lucky day for yesterday.
That's why I did not just point out a filler.
No, you
You
should
did
point
not.
out some
You
fillers.
should.
Sure, ma'am. I'll do it today.
Aviral, did you point out any fillers at your home?
No, ma'am, not now.
Should.
have a
Then only
sister,
you will
you
learn
should-
and
you
then
should
only
do this
you
with your
others will
sister.
learn.
Okay, ma'am.
You and your sister will enjoy
Then
doing
only
this.
others will
and
learn from
even
you.
your father.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. So point out the fillers so that others can also learn from you.
Right.
Okay. Chalo. Bye everybody. Have a very good day. Bye. See you all tomorrow. Bye bye.
But